Today, I just want to go over a quick little recap of what happened, what I pretty much been talking about, what I think of the overall market still. Very quick rundown. So let's watch. So today, pretty much into the open, I was bullish. I was nowhere near bearish. And as I have been for the past pretty much, I don't know, last 3 months, that's how I managed to keep myself on the right side of the trend ever since. But the point is, what I want to go over is very simple. Today at open, there were certain levels I talked about. It's all recorded on my channel there, the streams, everything. You can find everything I talk about. But basically, after the interest rate decision happens, which was an inevitable situation where we were going to be pushing up higher, which we did. It was a straight boner candle to the upside. I was gonna be long there. I unfortunately didn't get home on time. I got caught up in some traffic, but doesn't matter. Okay, we basically buy this dip here at 50.25, which is above my support level. And look at that. I basically just end up holding through all this. I do not take profit up here. I was up where I think it was around 500 or something like that. It dips back below and then does another magical trap to the downside here. I knew we were gonna be pushing up. Okay, I talked about it on my stream. I don't want to sound like like this, person that's just saying I knew this thing was gonna happen and then I do the complete opposite, right? No, I bought it there. I streamed it live. Everything is recorded. Everything was live. And I pretty much said we were going to be pushing up to that 80 level. I end up taking profit out of the 74.75, long from that 50.25. Therefore, that is over 20 points on the ES. And it's amazing to be able to hold trades through that much period of time with that much confidence, in my opinion. And I was just long one contract. And yeah, we lock in that gain again on days like today. You want to be sizing down. You don't trade full size. It doesn't go well. Yes, this move today was pretty clean altogether. And then after that, like look at that. We make new highs and it just continues to push. I drew boxes on my morning stream today, and I pretty much stated we were going to be breaking above those highs as long as support held, which was right here, and it does hold. Therefore, we break the high, and then we continue to make new highs to the top. And look at this 80 was my second target. We hit and we smash it. And then third, my overall bias, I drew these boxes here, was going to be that 53.23. That's the ultimate magnet for the market right now. I'm not going to get into exactly the whole reason why, but that's the target I'm looking for right now on ES. And she sure is looking like it's gonna happen sooner rather than later. However, this morning it didn't seem like it. And I'm pretty sure that people on the stream, you can go back and watch it, it's all recorded. It did seem a little bit far away. We were all the way down here, and it did seem like it was not gonna happen. But look at my crazy target up here. We don't look so crazy no more now, do we? We are so close from it that it's almost guaranteed now that it's gonna happen, right? But again, being able to kind of know that this action was gonna play out ahead of time is what keeps me always in the right side of the trend. It's what keeps me always in the profitable side of trading in general, right? There will be some times when I might have my stop too tight and therefore I might take a loss. It happens. It's all recorded. Everything I do is recorded. But I just really want to just hammer this point home when it comes to buying at supports and how if supports hold and they pretty much don't sell, we're going to continue higher. Lastly, one last thing that I want to touch on is even though I understand direction in the market, I understand where we might be headed, the problem is always going to be over trading. If you overtrade, you lose each and every single time. Look how many trades I did today. I did one. We profited over $1,300 with that one trade, with one contract. So not putting on a whole lot of risk and definitely doing an amazing trade that is just one and done. Like you don't need to trade too much. I would have probably made a lot less money. In fact, probably could have blown up my account by trying to FOMO up the top here, trying to sell short up here, or trying to do stupid things in between here, like trying to scalp points, right? But for me, It's very simple. I bought here. You hold with conviction, and then you ride it to the next resistance point, and you lock the profit in. It's as simple as that. So one trade, done, walk away. You do not trade anymore.